If you are eligible for the WIC program, you will be given a WIC Nutrition Card to purchase authorized WIC foods. During the next few minutes, you will learn how to use this card. You will also be provided with shopping tips to help save money on your WIC foods. Using these tips will help to keep food costs down so WIC foods can continue being offered. Food benefits will be loaded onto the WIC Nutrition Card at your local WIC clinic during your appointment. The WIC Nutrition Card, personal identification number or PIN, and a valid ID must be available at the appointment. A photo ID is preferred. You will choose this PIN when you first receive a card. Once your WIC foods are loaded onto your WIC Nutrition Card during your clinic visit, you can shop right away. Food benefits end on the last day of each month and do not roll over to the next month. As foods are purchased, they are removed from the balance on your card. Remember to bring your WIC Nutrition Card and a valid ID with you each time you come into the WIC clinic. You cannot receive your food benefits without them. You will also receive a card book that provides a safe place to keep your WIC Nutrition Card and store receipts. Along with a WIC Nutrition Card and card book, you will be provided an Ohio WIC authorized foods list and a list of all the approved locations in your county where you may use your WIC Nutrition Card. The Authorized Foods List, or AFL, shows the types, sizes, and brands of foods you may get with your WIC Nutrition Card. Please refer to the AFL when shopping for your WIC foods. You can also download a QR code reader app and scan the QR code on the card book back cover to access the AFL. To check your WIC food balance at your WIC clinic or in any store checkout lane that accepts the WIC Nutrition Card, insert your card into the card reader and enter your personal identification number. To help keep Ohio WIC's food costs down so we may continue to provide you with WIC foods, we encourage you to compare prices when shopping. One way to compare prices is to look at the unit cost of the foods, which is found on the shelf tags in many grocery stores. We also encourage you to use these other money-saving tips. Buy store brand for foods such as whole grains, juice, cereal, and more. Take advantage of weekly sales and specials. Use manufacturer and store coupons as well as your store's Advantage and Rewards cards. The discount will be deducted from the price that the cashier enters. Buy only the amount of foods you can use without foods expiring. You do not have to buy all of your foods at one time. Please note, if there is a buy one, get one free offer on an authorized WIC food item, you are allowed to get the free item. When you are done shopping and ready to check out, use a lane that accepts the WIC Nutrition Card. If you are not sure which lanes are available, ask a store employee. As you unload your cart, make sure to separate WIC foods from other items. Please note that one of the benefits you will receive each month is for WIC authorized fruits and vegetables. This is different from your other WIC items since it provides a dollar amount you are allowed to spend. If the transaction goes over the dollar amount, the last item scanned will not be included, so make sure your favorite fruits and vegetables are scanned first. Put your WIC Nutrition Card into the card reader. Be sure to enter your correct 4-digit PIN. Your card will be locked if your PIN is entered incorrectly more than 7 times. If your card locks, you must take your valid picture ID and return to the local WIC clinic to have it unlocked. When you put your WIC Nutrition Card into the card reader and enter your correct PIN, your beginning food balance receipt will print. After the cashier scans all of your food, you will receive a WIC Foods purchased receipt, or the cashier may ask you to review a display screen of the WIC food items you have purchased. After you make sure only the items you bought are listed and the prices are correct, press Yes to accept the WIC transaction or No to decline it. No changes can be made once you press Yes. At the end of your purchase, you will receive an ending food balance receipt from the cashier. Keep this receipt so you will know what food benefits you have left in the current month for your next shopping trip. The cashier will tell you when it is safe to remove your card from the card reader. As mentioned, you will receive 3 separate receipts when checking out at the store. The beginning food balance receipt shows the food balance you have on your WIC Nutrition Card before the transaction. The foods purchased receipt shows the WIC items you bought during the transaction. The ending food balance receipt shows what foods you have left after the transaction. It is important to keep your WIC Nutrition Card in a safe place. Treat your card like a credit card or cash. It is also a good idea to keep your PIN safe. Do not share your PIN with anyone you do not want using your card. And to prevent theft, do not keep your PIN in your purse or wallet. The WIC Nutrition Card is reusable. Do not bend, cut, or write on your card and keep it clean and dry. Do not sell, trade, or give your PIN or card away. Misusing WIC benefits is a crime. If you forget your PIN, take a valid ID to the WIC clinic that issued the card, where you can have it reset and use the card the same day. If your card is lost, stolen, or damaged, call your local WIC clinic and report it right away. There will be a waiting period before you can have a card replaced. Remember to bring your WIC Nutrition Card and a valid ID with you each time you come into the WIC clinic. You cannot receive your food benefits without them. We hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please ask the WIC staff.